My name is Terri Delfino, and this is Delfino Vineyards and Winery. We love harvest hosts. We started about 5 years ago, and we've really enjoyed having people camp here in their RVs. And this year we've seen a big boom, probably due to COVID. People are just dying to get out, and we have lots of fresh air here and lots of hiking trails, and a lot of probably just downtime that people are looking for right now. We moved here 20 years ago, and we actually were going to retire or semi-retire, and this was a cattle ranch, and we weren't sure exactly what we were doing at the time, but we found out that, you know, if you're passionate about what you do, you can learn a lot, and it takes a lot of hard work, but we've enjoyed everything that we do, and especially the people that we meet being in this industry. The harvest host people have their privacy, and what I love about that pasture is it's right in between a creek bed and the vineyard, but there's lots of shade, and sometimes it gets really hot up here, like it's going to be in a few days. We're going back up to 100-degree weather. We welcome you here. We'd love to have you. We enjoy sharing everything that we have, our wines and our setting and our beautiful weather. Yeah, it's just, they're happy people. They're just happy. They're happy to be out. They love the views. They love the wildlife, the setting, and they appreciate all the things that Jim and I have done, you know, to just make this place a better and more enjoyable place to be.